The first time actually was a very cute interaction. Mock shoot it was really cute.
Speak those lines क्योंकि बहुत फास्ट भी नहीं बोलना है बट बहुत स्लो भी नहीं बोलना है और एक पर्टिकुलर एंड यू हैव टू कन्विंस हिम कि सर ये वो
But basically क्या हुआ कि इन्होंने ना मुझे खाना नहीं खिलाया टाइम पे. हाँ, इन्होंने फू से मंगाया सुशी और मुझे पूछा नहीं है. मुझे बड़ा
फर्स्ट डे पे तो पर्सन नहीं जज किया था बट as a co-star he was very accommodating and
Thank you so much, guys, for joining us on Telechecker. How are you doing?
very well thank you.
very good. Hello.
बहुत अच्छी वाइब लग रही है आप लोगों को, एकदम पॉजिटिव, फ्रेश, खूबसूरत. इतनी अच्छी वाइब कहाँ से आती है? कुछ करना पड़ता है स्पेशल इसीलिए?
नहीं I think he is a positive person तो he radiates that everybody and the environment is nice and happy and positive और
she's like that.
हाँ
I just bounce
everybody
off
knows
energy.
me.
Yeah, everybody knows.
You
Guys,
are
आप लोग
the
एक second. No, one second. Guys, please let us know your thoughts. हमारे जो भी fans है, who is the ball of energy?
Both.
Yeah, but he's asking about positivity.
Yeah, energy, positive.
Energy.
Energy me,
Yeah.
positive he is.
And
I'm all right.
yeah.
I can just go and be like, you know what? And he'll be like, it's okay. It's okay.
She's a realist.
Look at the better side of this.
हाँ.
And then I'll come around.
हाँ. Immediately. She doesn't waste time.
कौन हो जाता है फटाफट छोटी-छोटी बातों पे?
Are you looking at me? In the shot, are you looking at me? Yeah, maybe.
Very
Maybe.
rare.
No, that's not true, yaar.
Very rare. You
Yeah,
don't
तुम
get
भी काफी
upset often.
we get upset on different reasons.
Yeah, but not often. Like it's been like, it's not like a habit or.
In 1 year,
Yeah,
how many
kuch
times
bhi.
have I been upset? 4 times? 3 or 4 times? More than that?
Yeah, I think so.
4. And you?
Same, I guess.
हाँ.
मतलब आई थिंक कुछ ऐसा अलग नहीं इट्स जस्ट लाइक कुछ सिचुएशन वैसी हो जाती है ना जो वी डोंट कम ऑन द सेम टाइम पे सेम पेज पे नहीं आ पाते तो वो ऑफ सिंक हो जाता है फिर हम उसको ऑन सिंक कर लेते हैं बट ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ लाइक बहुत ऑफन बुरा दोनों में से किसी को नहीं लगता है
Alhamdulillah.
या
ये बॉन्डिंग बड़ी तगड़ी है. जब पहली बार मिले थे तो यही रिएक्शन था एक दूसरे के लिए. हाय, हाउ आर यू? कैसा था? गुस्से में?
नहीं.
हाउ वाज दैट?
मैंने सोचा यार no, the first time actually was a very cute interaction. Mock shoot it was really cute. She had so many lines. And she kept complaining, itni lines and all that. And it was a pretty nerve-wracking thing for both of us. पहली बार होता है एक दूसरे के साथ नए शो में स्टोरी में. So it was a very cute first day. The first day was very cute.
Yeah, and it was like, yeah, I was, मैं अपनी ही lines में I was occupied because actually बहुत सारी थी and we had to find a particular pace to speak those lines क्योंकि बहुत fast भी नहीं बोलना है but बहुत slow भी नहीं बोलना है और एक particular and you have to convince him कि सर ये वो you know she's a chef तो जो complicated dishes हैं उनके नाम भी एकदम टिप पे होना चाहिए and she's offering him the dishes and she wants to impress him क्योंकि नौकरी चाहिए तो वो सारी चीज़ें तो इसलिए वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था and I was like in my own zone and but obviously the impression was like he was amazing at that time also he was very sweet and
वेरी अमेजिंग पर्सन.
I नहीं फर्स्ट डे पे तो पर्सन नहीं जज किया था but as a co-star he was very accommodating and like कुछ ऐसा वो नहीं था जो वो है
ओके.
yeah very nice.
शायद यही केमिस्ट्री. इतने बड़े-बड़े मास्टर्स हमने देखे. हम आते हैं सेट पर 10-10 मिनट के मास्टर्स ना आप एक लाइन में कर जाते हो. आप लोग एक लाइन ऐसे कि एक बार में कर जाते हो. ये बॉन्डिंग मैटर करती है इस चीज के लिए या प्योर आर्ट?
I think that's mostly art. I think, you know, it's mostly art and rehearsal, and everybody is very good. So maybe that's why, you know.
I don't think that's chemistry.
Yeah.
I think इनके सामने कोई और भी होता तो she would because her rehearsal is that.
He's asking all of us do that.
हाँ,
So
but
it's
I'm
not
thinking the
about
same thing with
anybody.
anybody.
है ना?
No, I'm saying the same thing with you, with her, with anybody. सामने कोई और होगा doesn't matter. How easy the scene becomes and how comfortable you are and stuff like that is different. वो comes into play. But you're right. It's just her preparation, our preparation, basically each actor's preparation. That's it.
Yeah.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन. प्रोमो में हमने देखा थोड़े गुस्से में नजर आ रहे हो. अदनान, विक्रांत, क्या है? क्यों इतने गुस्से में हो?
यार बेसिकली क्या हुआ कि इन्होंने ना मुझे खाना नहीं खिलाया टाइम पे. हाँ, इन्होंने फूड से मंगाया सुशी और मुझे पूछा नहीं, और मुझे बड़ा अफसोस हो रहा है.
अच्छा,
अभी
शो में नया ट्विस्ट आने वाला है, बच्ची की भी एंट्री हुई है, क्या होने वाला है, थोड़ा सा ऑडियंस के लिए कितना एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है, प्लीज डू लेट अस नो.
I think होगा. मतलब personally I love working with kids, and
She does.
I was very excited कि
she was. She really was.
I was very excited.
Can I tell them what you've done? No,
यस प्लीज.
I can't tell them.
What
मेरे
did I
रूम में 2 चीजें पड़ी हुई हैं. She's the
Oh
cutest. She is so cute. You know what she did? Can I? Is it too weird if I tell it?
no, it's not weird, but
She went and got 2 packets of, like, she made these 2 packs of gifts for both the new kids that are joining, and she's so excited, and she came and she kept it in my room, and she's like, we got to write something on the note, and this is for them, and blah, and she's so happy and so excited to work. It's
but
crazy.
that's what you do. I mean, you feed
I-
people.
it takes me some time.
So it is inspiring.
It takes me
no?
some time, but these are new people on set, these are new kids, and it's really cute what she's done.
Oh, it was so nice. और both of them are very very nice. और पता है मतलब actually आपको धीरे धीरे आप उनके इंटरव्यू देखोगे ना तो मजा आएगा आपको. वो तो you तो cute कहता है. मतलब I can't tell उनका character brief आपको तो मैं नहीं पता, but कहते हैं हाँ पर वो थोड़ा ऐसे करना है. And the way he says he's so cute, and even like Dua is so cute. I'm like I love working with them. I'm hoping. अरे नहीं नहीं उनको प्रे करनी और
Yeah,
हमें
thanks.
वापस भी आना कहा के.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Lovely talking to you.